Is your Samsung TV remote suddenly decided to go on strike, leaving you stranded in channel limbo? Step 1 is always the simplest, and often the solution: replacing the batteries. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of your remote. Usually, it's a small cover you can slide off. Carefully remove the old batteries, noting their orientation. Often a diagram is inside the compartment showing positive and negative placement. Insert fresh, new batteries, ensuring they're positioned correctly, then slide the cover back on. Now, point the remote at your TV and test. Did it work? Great. If not, let's move on. Sometimes the remote and TV need to reconnect or pair if your remote uses Bluetooth. This might have happened. Grab your remote and TV remote, locate the power button on your TV, not the remote. Press the power button and the return or back button simultaneously and hold them for at least 5 seconds, or until you see a pairing prompt on the TV screen. The TV should search for and reconnect the remote. Keep an eye on the TV screen for a confirmation message if the remote is recognized. Test it. If pairing fails, try restarting your TV by unplugging it from the wall outlet for a full minute, then plugging it back in and attempting pairing again. Finally, let's check for interference. Other devices, like other remotes, fluorescent lights, or even certain appliances, can sometimes disrupt the signal. Ensure the remote is unobstructed, not in direct sunlight, and that nothing is blocking the signal path to your TV. Try moving the remote closer to the TV to see if that helps. If persistent, there may be an issue with the remote, the TV's receiver, or both.